Hello and welcome to Kimberly's Kitchen. Today I'm going to show you how to prepare my gruesome zombie eyeballs. You will need the following ingredients: 20 large pimento stuffed green olives, 20 pitted prunes, 10 slices of bacon cut in half. You will need the following tools: a sharp knife, a cutting board, a rimmed baking sheet, and toothpicks. Preheat the oven to 375 degrees and grease the baking sheet. Remove the pimentos from the olives and set aside. Using your fingers, gently push an olive into each prune, leaving the hole in the olive exposed. Wrap a piece of bacon around each prune and then secure with a toothpick. Bake on the greased baking sheet until the bacon is crisp, which will take about 20 to 25 minutes. Remove the toothpicks and push the pimentos back inside the olives. Arrange on a serving dish, pimento side up. And there you have it, my gruesome zombie eyeballs. For added variation, you can replace the prunes with medjool dates, or even skip that step altogether and simply wrap the bacon around the olives. Enjoy, and happy Halloween!